Today, hello guys, welcome to my channel. Go Vietnam Go! And in Vietnam we have two seasons, and this time is the dry season. It's very hot, and today I will show you one of the kind of drink in Vietnam, very famous. This is rau má đậu xanh, Centella with green bean mix. Okay, let's do it. So, to make the Centella mixed with green bean, we need to use Centella and green bean without peel. In Vietnam we have green bean without peel like this and green bean with peel. I will show you in the next time. Green bean and Centella, we need to wash the water to make it clean and remove the dirty thing in here. With green bean, we soak it in the water in about 15 minutes. Why we have to soak it in the water? Because I want to make it better, standard and we remove the water. The ratio water and green bean without peel. In Việt Nam bị con đậu xanh không vỏ đó. Đậu xanh không vỏ đấy. I think we need to remove this bubble. Three people. Okay. Ta-da! With the bubble, it's very good in Vietnam. If you want to easy it. Ta-da! This is one class from má đậu xanh, and in this lesson I mixed a lot of green bean, and it will have the color. And when you make this, you need to add more sugar or milk to make it easy to eat drink. It's very healthy, and it will be helpful cooler in this hot weather in Vietnam. Try it. See ya! We have one tip. The traditional is the Centella leaf. The second version is Centella with green bean. It's the very famous in Vietnam. And the tip 2, the version 3. Version 3. This we can mix it with coconut milk. It's very bachelor. Try it. Bye bye. See ya!